Hi, it's Liz here. Today I'm going to share this healthy cookie recipe for you. It's Anzac cookie. It's very popular in Australia. I need 1 tablespoon chia seed. We need 80 gram oats. Next is almond fat. We need 60 gram. Next is 50 gram buckwheat flour. Put into the bowl. Next is 80 gram tapioca flour. I use 50 gram maple syrup. Next is 80 gram coconut oil. And then a pinch of salt. Just a little bit. And then mix everything together. Okay, I'm going to take them into the oven. I preheat my oven 180 degrees and then I will leave there for 15 minutes or until it becomes brown. Ta-da! It's done! 2020 is a special year. Also, it's a very slow year. Why not we sit down, drink a cup of tea, and enjoy some cookies to think about what we really need in our life. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will update my videos every Friday. See you next time. Bye bye.